Restaurant and gift shop facilities are available.
Hi, I'm Ricky Believes, and we're here again with more travel. Today, we're going to take a little different journey. We're going to be going to not only LA and far away, but a time long ago. Join me as we travel to the ancient city of Bethlehem.
Your attention, please. In the interest of passenger safety, please do
For such a small town, I'm really surprised at how busy it is. I wonder if there's something special going on. Why don't we ask one of the local merchants? Excuse me, sir, is it usually this busy in Bethlehem?
Haven't you heard? This year, Dusty said you must go to your own city so you can register and pay taxes.
Taxes? That sounds like home, but everybody around here dresses a lot differently. Well, why don't we try some of the local cuisine? Kind of reminds me of the food truck back home. That smells really good. What is it?
This is a great choice. This is a very special goat stew with lentils and vegetables.
Goat stew with lentils and vegetables. Well, maybe a snack would be good. I'm really not that hungry. What's your snack here?
These are for a snack, roasted grasshoppers.
Roasted grasshoppers? Maybe later. I don't think so. Here we are in the field outside of town. Look, some shepherds. They seem to be excited about something. Excuse me, gentlemen. What's happening?
Wow, if you had only been here about 15 minutes ago. Yeah, we saw angels and they were everywhere.
Angels?
The sky was full of them. They told us that Christ was born right here in Bethlehem today. They said he will be lying in a manger, so let's look in all the barns and stables.
That's a good idea.
Let's go! Is this the one? Yes, God told me to call him Jesus.
The shepherds were so fast I could not keep up. I wonder where they ended up. Excuse me, have you seen any shepherds around?
Shepherd just came inside. Excuse me, I must get more firewood to keep Mary and the baby warm.
Oh, baby. That sounds might be the place. Earlier today, I heard some people talking about some wealthy visitors from the east heading toward Bethlehem. Let's take a long detour to see if we can find them. Well, hello. Where are you guys going?
We're not sure of the exact place, but we're following a star. The star appeared in our faraway land. It was a sign that the King of the Jews was born.
I wonder if that could possibly be the same baby that we saw in Bethlehem. You know what? I'll follow them and I will see where we end up. I followed them a long way through the desert, to Jerusalem, and then to Bethlehem. I wonder where the star will lead us to next.
Praise God, we found him, King of the Jews. We brought gifts, gold. And frankincense, myrrh.
Wow! I recognize these people. This is the same baby we saw with the shepherds. Wow, expensive gifts for King Jesus. All I have is a DVD of my travels.
I'm not sure what a DVD is, but whatever we do for God is important. I think your gift will be wonderful.
On my way home, I kept thinking about that phrase, whatever we do for God is important. It reminds me of the scripture that says, whatever you do, do all to the glory of God.
Houses crumble mighty strong. Live for Jesus, that's what matters. That you see the light in me and come along.
We found much more than a tour of Bethlehem, didn't we? I'm Ricky Believes, and thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep traveling and keep believing. God bless.
For Jesus, that's what matters. That you see the light in me and come along. La 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 Jesus, that's what matters. And when other houses crumble mighty strong, live for Jesus, that's what matters. That you see the light